How to draw on CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a drawing on your CapCut inside your PC. So as you can see, there are no directed tools where you can easily create a drawings, but you can just click on this sticker icon and just search in for the drawing word or keywords just like this. So let me just quickly select any one of these over here, so you can actually use these as well. So if you want a customized version of your drawing, you can also search in for furthermore and just choose any one of these that you like or prefer. So that's the one way. So another way is you can just head over to your search menu and simply search in for the Windows provided application, that is the 3D paint. So you can paint in 3D. So basically just open the application and simply click on new project, and you can just use any one of this tool or marker over here to and choose a color of your choice and simply start a drawing whatever you like, and just click on this menu at the top left section to save your file. So let me just quickly save it. So I'll simply save it as an image format and just select your directory and give your file name just like this. So once I click on save, it will be automatically saved. Now just head back to your CapCut, and from over here just click on media and select import and just head over to the directory where you just downloaded the file, that is our image. And if you want the background to be removed, so let me just quickly split it so that it's only selected to the particular selected video length. So if you want to remove the background of the image, you can use online tools such as BG Remover. So once you are satisfied, you can simply export it finally. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.